Okay, for this lesson, lesson two, we're talking about buying a car. This is probably one of my most important lessons that I can give you because there's a lot of information that goes into buying a car. So, we're going to um, talk about the steps to follow when buying a car. So, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to this website, truecar.com. Okay. And then you can, oops, I don't want to save it. You're going to shop a car. Are you going to buy a used car? Or are you going to buy a new car? If you choose a used car, you get to choose what kind. So maybe you want a Land Rover, um, choose the model, you want a Discovery, and our zip code. Okay, I can put all that stuff in there and it's going to plop out with a car that I can buy for $33,000. Wow, it's a lot of money. But if that's what I want, that's what I'm going to put. So then I will go back to my page and I would put $33,000 on here because that's my total purchase price. And then I need to decide how much I'm going to borrow. So I have a $5,000 down payment. So if I subtract 33,000, if I subtract 5,000 from 33,000, I have 28,000. And 28,000 is the amount that I have to finance. That's the amount of loan I have to take out. So now I'm going to get some quotes from different lenders. And my first one, I'm putting 33 in here because that's what I want for my car because I want that Land Rover. But if you have a different car, you'll change the price here. Okay. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate my monthly payment. So the first lender, lender one, I don't know, Wells Fargo, Wings, whoever I go through, my $33,000 is my price. My down payment's $5,000. My loan term is 36 months, and my interest rate is 6.75. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this auto loan calculator right here. Here's the auto loan car payment calculator. It says, what's your credit score? Well, since you guys do not have credit right now, it's probably going to be non-prime. And that's okay because you have a couple years to work on that and work it up. Okay. And so the car price was $33,000, not 23. The interest rate, what did I say it was? 6.75. 6.75. And then my down payment is $5,000. Okay. And this is a 36-month finance. Okay. So I'm going to calculate that. Okay. So my monthly payment is $861.36. That's a lot of money. And then interest that I'll pay on that car is $3,000. Okay. So by the time it's all said and done, my $28,000 that I had that I thought I was going to spend on a car, I actually spent $31,000 because of this interest that I paid. So maybe a $33,000 car is not the best option for me. Anyways, I'm going to record that over here, my monthly payment and my total amount paid. Okay. And you're going to do that for number 2 and 3 as well, using the same price of the car that you have chosen. Okay. I'm just going to get rid of that because you're going to put in your own price. But you all still have the same $5,000. All right, that is how we figure out how much a car costs.